Hi everyone, today we're going to do I Ready Math. Say I Ready Math. But before we do I Ready Math, let's sing this beautiful song. I Ready makes kids smart. I Ready is good for kids. I Ready is good for kids. I Ready makes kids smart, makes kids smarter. I Ready is good. I Ready makes kids smarter. And I Ready is good for kids. Okay, now let's go. We're going to do math, and we're going to do next lesson. And if you clapped it, it'll come. It's here.
Let's find 57 minus 34.
Oh, minus 34.
We'll start at 57 and subtract the 10s and 1s in 34. First, make a jump to subtract the 10s. Enter the number.
I Ready makes kids smarter. I Ready is good for kids. Now, and I Ready is good for you and for kids. I Ready is good. Okay, I'm there. Now, unpause that.
You are jumping.
Now, where is... Oh, it's 30. Kind of hard, right? No, you got your 3.
What is 57 minus 30? I am impressed. You already subtracted the 10s in 34.
Oh, I keep on pausing it.
Show how to subtract the 1s. Enter the number you are jumping. What is 27 minus 4?
Oh, no, can't.
What is 57 minus 34? You made the connection. 57 minus 34 equals 23.
Nope, it's 33.
Now let's find 96 minus 61.
Ooh, tricky, but
We'll start at 96 and subtract the 10s and 1s in 61. First, make a jump to subtract the 10s. Enter the number you are jumping.
The answer is 35.
What is 96 minus 60?
Ah, I fell. Wait. Okay, back alive. Oh, my clothes. You're all I can think of. Every drop I drink of. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop. 36.
You already subtracted the 10s in 61. Show how to subtract the 1s. Enter the number you are jumping.
Definitely gonna answer the number one. Number one is...
What is 36 minus 1?
Oh, let me guess. 35? Yeah, I told you it was 35. Did I say 35? I think I did. Or did I say 35? Yeah. I think I said that. Sometimes I don't even remember what I'm saying.
What is 96 minus 61?
Okay, it's literally 4 minutes right now, and that's so easy. 35. Why do you think I'm on a phone? Why would I be on a phone? I'm going to go
96
left.
minus 61 equals 35.
Snap. I think I farted. Get it.
Let's practice solving more subtraction problems.
Problem. I think I don't even know
What
what I'm
is
saying.
79
Yeah.
minus 32?
I think I know what I'm saying. I think I'm what I'm saying. Yeah. Fire, huh? That's 40. 47. Yeah, 47.
Good thinking. 79 minus 32 equals 47.
That's a partially completed number line.
What is 88 minus 56?
That equals a, That's 30, 32. Yeah, 32. Wrong. I said wrong. I'm joking.
Yes! 88 minus 56 equals 32.
What
Well-
is 39 minus 24?
That's, a 15. I was about to say 1, 5. Like, what's 1, 5 anyway?
Excellent. 39 minus 24 equals 15.
Equals, make your maxels.
What is 67 minus 33?
Okay, 67 minus 33. I bet that's easy. It might be 34. Yeah, 34. Where's 34? Oh, it's right here. Ow. But
Good going. 67 minus 33 equals 34.
I mean, 67 minus 33. Okay. Just farted a balloon out.
Let's play
Math
match.
match.
Match pairs of cards that show the same amount.
Oh, let's guess. It's a card game. Since it says let's play math match. Oh, I'm trying to click on that. I'm not click on this thing. Oh, finally it works. Yes, I got it right. It's tricky. Look. Okay, whatever. Get up. Yeah.
All the cards are matched.
I'm like 8 years old or something. Sorry, I didn't mean that.
Match pairs of cards that show the same amount.
Ow, I'm so itchy. Ah. Okay, I stopped itching. Let me guess. Is this one and this one? Look, this is going to be so hard. Look.
Let me help.
Look, this is going to be so hard. Look. This is going to be so hard. Look. Whatever. Click.
All the cards are
Are
matched.
Fall.
What's next? Tap on the green arrow button to keep going.
So we're going to sing a beautiful, beautiful song. Okay. I-ready makes kids smarter. I-ready is good for... Wait. Okay, I just accidentally spelled something wrong. But now it's going. I-ready makes kids smarter. I-ready is good for kids. And I-ready is good for you. And I-ready is good for you and kids. I-ready is good. And it makes kids level up great. And it will also skip grades for kids. Yeah, we sang a beautiful song. Yeah, now sing a cool song. Yeah, boys. I'm joking. What if I'm like that? Then I smash this. Then let's click the arrow. Ah!
Your quest is almost complete.
Let's get the star.
Use the star to unlock the quiz.
Whatever we just opened right now might be a secret. 3, 2, 1.
What is 76 minus 45?
I can use the partially completed number line. What is 76 minus 40? Yeah, correct. It's 36. What is 36 minus 5? It's 31. Yeah, so the answer is 31. I had to do it real quick.
What is 95 minus 72?
What is 95 minus 70? Correct. It's 25. What is 25 minus 2? 23. So the answer is 23. Yes.
What is 68 minus 23?
Okay. 68 minus 20. This time we're going to use our fingers. First, we're going to start with the ones. 68 minus 0 is 8, so let's keep that 8. 6 minus 2. Ooh, now. Wait, we didn't use our fingers. But we shouldn't use our fingers for 0 because that's impossible. Now let's use our fingers for 68 minus 2. 68. 67, 66. So the answer is 68 right here. Then 68 minus 3. 68. 67, 66, and 65. So the answer is 65. Wait. Oh, I think I did it forward. Okay, so. Okay, it's just kind of boring, so. I really want to start with the 10s. You can't. Why? Too bad for me. I mean, too bad for you. Oh, but I really want to. You have to start with the 1s. Okay, fine. 8. Now let me hold 8 in my brain. 66. 66. So 65. But I can't see 65, so I'm just going to do 48. What? Ugh. Told you. This time I'm going to listen.
What is 82 minus 61?
Ugh. I'm just going to do it quick. Please help. Then I'm just going to guess 21. How did I get that correct? Yes, I just guessed. Yeah, I just guessed what I thought.
What is 78 minus 22?
Let me guess. Okay. Oh.
What is 59 minus 17?
That equals, let's see. Oh, the answer is 42. Oh, the answer is 42. See, I'm right. How are you right?
Nice job. You received 20 coins.
Bye, everyone. See you on the next video. Wait. No, wait. But we're done. Bye-bye.